made an initial review of my phace welding helmet, and I said I'd come back and kind of talk about what I thought about it. I've probably got, I don't know, a couple hundred hours into the hood. I have had to replace the battery, but overall I would say I'm pretty happy with this helmet. The only thing I can say bad about this helmet is it doesn't have the neck guard, and therefore it doesn't block the fumes as well. But really, this is my go-to helmet. I wear it for everything. Plasma cutting, grinding. It's a great helmet for the price. I don't know if you can see it, there's not much wear. The little head band is holding up good. It's been a great helmet. So if I was to say get one or not, I love it. So it's up to you if you want to get a phace. There's no other helmet that looks this cool. I mean, these guys make some pretty neat stuff. So if you got any questions, comments, let me know and I'll reply and give you my opinion on it, because that's all I got's an opinion, and you do what you want with it. Till next time, we'll do some more welding. Thanks.